In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quit or leave a team in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're reorganizing your workspace or simply moving on from a project, departing a team in Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams and press enter. This will bring up a list of results, and you'll want to click on the very first result that appears. That should take you directly to the Microsoft Teams homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. You'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Microsoft Teams account. Carefully type in your email to ensure there are no typos, and then click on the Next button just below the email field. After that, you'll be asked to enter your password, enter it carefully, and once you're sure it's correct, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. If everything is entered correctly, you'll now find yourself on your Microsoft Teams dashboard. From here, navigate to the Communities section. You might find this label on the left-hand side of your screen, acting as a hub for all the teams and communities that you're part of. Go ahead and click on it. In the Communities section, you'll see a list of teams you're currently a part of. To leave a particular team, look for the three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, beside the team you wish to leave. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, one of your options will be Leave Community. Click on this option, and you'll be given a final prompt asking for confirmation. It's essentially one last check to ensure that you indeed want to leave this particular team. If you're certain about your decision, click on the Leave button. And there you have it. You've successfully left a team in Microsoft Teams. Remember, leaving a team means you no longer have access to any messages, files, or updates from that team. If you ever need to rejoin the team in the future, you would typically need to be re-invited by someone who's still a member. Until next time, I hope this guide was helpful in managing your team's workspace. Thank you for watching.